Today I'm going to be doing a really fun and cute fall set here. I actually saw a video that Amber Dipsalot on YouTube did using the same Born Pretty gel nail polish. I had just ordered this on Amazon. I'll also link it below. They are such pretty colors. I love this slate stone here. And I'm kind of doing like a stitched, I guess would be the word. Kind of reminds me of like a scarecrow pattern on some of these nails, using all of the colors in the set. I didn't say in the beginning, but I did put base coat down. I used the Model 1's base coat, and I'll also be using their top coat as well. And then I love this. It's kind of like a gold color. It is very, very pretty. I can actually see it being used for other designs where you want like a gold look. And this is a really deep red. This will also go great for like the winter time, like a holiday color. But I definitely did need 2 coats for this one. So now I'm going in with the second coat. The slate or stone gray color did not need a second coat because I will be putting colors on top of there. So I'm just going across. This is a more like burnt orange color. It's different from that deeper, darker red. It is very, very pretty, but definitely a fall color. I think I put way too much on this nail. But then I'm going again in with the really pretty yellow or gold at the bottom. And I just started putting my polish out because it was a lot easier that way and using the little brush. But really, it didn't really matter how detailed these edges were for the lines here because I'm going to be putting the black stitches over it. So I realized that and I was like, oh, okay. Let me not take too much time. Okay, this brown is gorgeous. I really love nudes and browns when I'm wearing my nails, so I really liked that this perfect chocolate brown was in this set. And so these are really all the colors. So we have the stone or slate gray, we have the really, really dark red, we have the burnt orange, the gold yellow, and then the beautiful brown. And these nail brushes I really, really like. It came in a set. It's from the brand Beetles, which I also like their polish as well. And if I didn't say already, these tips are the extra, extra long Nailzbydev Coffin tips. And I will be linking those below as well. Everything else, the Beetles brushes, the polishes, etc., even my lamp, I got all of that on Amazon. I went ahead and cured that, and now we're going to go in with the Marquette Black. I absolutely love their gel polishes. I have the black and the white. I bought it in a set, and both of them are super opaque and a great consistency. I really enjoy using their products. So here I am just outlining each part and making the little stitches. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's kind of giving like that sewn look, like patched up look. Oh, That's what it's called, like patches. Wow, I just figured that out. Yes, and also I'm kind of going over any spots. Like I said, I didn't make the colored lines perfect either way because I'm going over them with the black. So if you have any parts that are kind of like sticking up, you can just cover that up when you're doing the patchwork. If you guys have made it this far in the video, I really want to say I truly appreciate you watching my videos. Doing nail art and press-on nails is honestly one of my favorite hobbies, so I love making these videos while I'm trying out new designs and just improving. I would definitely appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you can watch my other upcoming videos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I did want to add that I know my pointer finger has a lot of gel kind of built up at the bottom. That's why it kind of looks like bulging there. So if I was going to be either selling or wearing these nails, I would have definitely filed those more, which I did when I took some pictures. But here are the final results. I absolutely love them. This design was super cool. Thank you guys for watching.